In this short video, I'm going to show you how to see followers on a Facebook business page and 3 tips to help grow your fan base. I'm Tracy, and this channel is to show you a variety of actions to help you get and grow your business online. If this is what you're looking for, be sure to subscribe down below and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now let's get to work. When you want to see your followers, go to your page, click on the left at the bottom to settings, go to people and other pages, click on the drop-down menu and choose an option. Those options are either people who like your page, people who follow your page, and then other pages that like your page. You can also see anyone that you banned from posting, commenting, and sending messages to your page. Remember, you may not see all the names of everyone who likes your page, since your visitors can control who can see what they liked. You'll only be able to see the names of people who publicly liked your page. What's the difference? Likes versus followers. A like on a Facebook page means your visitor wants to see content from your page and are comfortable having your page show up as being liked in their About section on their profile. A follow means they will receive updates about your page in their newsfeed. They can even customize what type of updates they see and where the information is presented within their feed. And what that all means is people who like your page will automatically follow it. Even if people like your page, they can still choose to unfollow it, which means they'll stop receiving updates about your page. People can follow your page even if they haven't liked it, and the name or profile picture of the person who likes your page may be shown on your page or in ads about your page. Does this all really matter? I would say yes, since your followers have a better chance to see your content. However, with the way Facebook pushes out its feed, they still will only see about 5% of your posts, which makes it hard for your fan base to have engagement and activity on your page, which is the most important factor to Facebook and is usually for most social platforms. For instance, YouTube would love for you to make a comment below to show engagement with this video. So make a comment below if you're liking this video. Now we have a few options to help grow your business page. Option 1, create a Facebook group. By creating a Facebook group, we can invite people who have liked or followed our page to our Facebook group. And by joining the group, they will see all the posts in the group instead of just a small percentage of posts, which is what people who like or follow your Facebook page will see. If you don't know how to create a Facebook group, check out my video where I show you how. You can share your Facebook business page posts to the group, as well as creating specific videos, surveys, and posts for your group. You will want to provide good content and only promote your products or services about 20% of the time. Option 2, use the invite button. We go to our post and click on the people who like or react to our post. Now we can tell whether they're current fans of our page. If not, invite them to follow our page. Once they accept your invitation, you can also invite them to your Facebook group. Option 3, engagement. Post daily, as Facebook loves new content. The best posts are interactive, shareable content, and original videos are one way to achieve that. They can be inspirational stories of your customers, funny behind-the-scene workplace videos, fun or interesting information within your industry, or trending topic. And remember, your video should include captions. Other types of posts are memes, surveys, and contests. Make sure to use images in your post and make sure they're emotional to draw your visitor in. Don't include links in your posts. Facebook doesn't want you to send their traffic off their platform. You can, however, comment on your own post and add a link within the comment. And also, don't tell your visitors to share or comment. When creating your posts, make sure not to use engagement bait, as Facebook will demote these posts in the news feed. Engagement bait is when you ask visitors to engage with the post. For instance, like a response, share, or comment, tag your friend. Instead, Facebook wants engagement to happen organically and create a back and forth discussion, which they will reward by prioritizing those posts. And last, make sure you're engaged with the visitors. If they do leave a comment, make sure to respond. Facebook then sees that your content is creating conversation. And although likes help build trust with social validation, and shares show interest in your content, comments are what help trigger the Facebook algorithm. And why do you want to grow your Facebook page and group? Because you can promote your products and services organically without paying for ads. You'll have a built-in audience who likes what you're doing. You've established trust. They know your brand and your values, which makes it easier to sell your company products and services and grow your business online. And if you need some help setting up your Facebook business page, then download download the Facebook tutorial guide in the description below or watch my video on how to create a Facebook business page. And thanks for watching. I totally appreciate that you got to the end of the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload a new video.